Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put an accessory on your BMW that's really cheap and really easy to do. So if you look underneath your doors, you'll see these courtesy lamps right here. And I'll show you how easy it is to remove them and put custom ones in its place. Now all you have to do is take a small screwdriver and pop the original light out. Pull the harness off. Then you can take your new accessory light. A lot of them come with this little pigtail that you can go ahead and put in there, or some of them already have them installed. But you basically just come up here and connect it. Just like that. And once it's in, all you do is push the wiring back up in the door panel. And you can see the new custom light right there. Now let's go ahead and turn over. You can see this emblem on the ground. Now it's still a little light outside, but I'll show you what it looks like whenever I open up the door. See how bright that is? It's a really nice accessory. Took less than 5 minutes to do it. Now these lights here are a lot brighter than what I thought they were going to be. And I can't wait to see how great they look in the total dark. Well everyone, I hope my video helped you out today and showed you how easy it was to install those courtesy lamps underneath the doors. It's a really cheap and affordable way to accessorize your BMW. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, leave your comments below. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.